This is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you the Etch Finish Czech glass beads. Now this is just a selection of what we have over at Beadaholique.com, but I just wanted to pull out some of my favorites so I could really show off this really cool finish. Alright, so let's actually begin all the way up here at the top, and I want to show off these really cool little teardrops. So you can see that these ones are a little small, and they're so sweet and so adorable. They actually kind of have a little glowy finish to them, and these are just really fun. We have a couple of different colors here, as you can see. We have some that are a jet finish, some that are going to be more of a silver, and really on the silver one, you can see that etch, that kind of crackly finish. And it looks like, you know, some sort of a rock or like a lava bead or something that you've pulled out of the earth. And I just think they're so neat. So this is where you can really see that kind of etch finish that we're talking about. So we do have that smaller size, but we also do have a larger size here as well. And you can see just kind of side by side, let me put these guys next to each other, that there is a nice little size difference. We do have all the exact dimensions in case you're curious, and you can find that in each product listing at Beadaholique.com. We want to make it really easy for you guys to shop and design with these great beads. So those are the little teardrops, and then moving over here, we do have some traditional Czech fire polish beads in several different sizes and different shapes. So you can see down here, these are the bigger shapes, the bigger size that we have here. These are 8 millimeters. And again, on the silver especially, you can really see that etch happening. And I want to pull out one of these guys here. This is the really cool sort of vitriol finish, and you can just see that it looks like a little bit of an oil slick. Very cool little beads, right? So again, just kind of take a look. We have a couple of different sizes. We have some different colors here, some different color mixes. And then over here, these ones are a little bit more of an oval shape, and these are going to look great in, let's say, a strung design. So I really love these ones. And for another little unique shape of the sort of Czech fire polished look, we have these beads here, and these are actually called lantern beads, and they kind of have a little sloped side to them. You can really see them in the strands here. And these are going to be really fun to work with. I did a little wire wrapping with these to create that lovely little necklace there. And I included in some of those seed beads as well, which we're going to get to in just a moment. But this just has a really unique kind of shape, and I think you'll really enjoy working with these ones as well. All right, so for another sort of traditional thing here, we have some of the fire polish in the True 2s, and these are 2 millimeters. They're super itty bitty tiny, but they are great. They kind of work almost like you might want to work with seed beads. So they're going to add a little bit of that flair to a design, but they're going to be nice and teensy tiny. And then I paired them in this design with some of the Druks, and the Druks are more rounded than the fire polish beads. So while they might come in the same finishes, they're going to be more of a round bead, and you can really, again, see that especially in the silver here. So I've just done a little knotting here just to bring in a little blue color with that silver. So that nice kind of wrap bracelet look here. And I did that with that Druks and those True 2s. All right, so our final couple of shapes here, before we get to the seed beads, is I want to talk about some dagger beads. Now these ones are actually really cool because they have that nice flat surface, so you are getting a lot of that etch look on the front. And a lot of these do have sort of different color codings, so you're going to get a lot of different flash of lights. Like this, for example, is one color, but you know, you start to turn it over and it's like, ooh, you get a little flash of pink. So these are going to be great for a design that has maybe a little bit of movement. So we have the daggers here, and then we also have the flat teardrops. Now these are really fun. These are side drilled, and they have a hole that's just like there. And it's right next to close to the top, so you can actually do a little wire wrapping. These are going to kind of act like briolets, which is actually really cool. All right, so we have those in a couple of finishes. And like I said, guys, this is just a few of our selection that we have at Beadaholique.com. We have many more colors, a lot for you guys to choose from, so I just wanted to pull out some of my favorites and some of our selection here. And then last but not least, we have the 2-hole honeycomb beads, and these are the only 2-hole beads that we have in the Etched right now. So these are actually really wonderful. Again, you can see that just sort of flash of that etch, and I just love how this works. And you have some of those ones that have a little bit of a flat surface to them, so you get a lot going on here, a lot to play with. All right, so last but not least here, we have our seed beads. Again, a very small selection. As you can see, there's a lot of colors going on in here. But I wanted to pull out a couple little representations of each of the colors and some of the sizes that we have. So we have everything from 2-0, 1-0, 4-0, 6-0, 8-0, and 11-0 of the seed beads here. So you can actually use a lot of these in, you know, maybe kumihimo designs. You can see that we did a Wrapit loom here. And these are 3 of my favorites, and I wanted to pull these out. So we have a gold, a silver, and a chrome kind of finish. So the chrome is a little bit of a darker silver, and then you have this a little bit more bright silver, and then we have a gold. And this is going to be really great to sort of work into some of the other designs and work with some of the other beads that we have here. So we also do have some that do have that vitriol finish on them. So again, you kind of get that cool little oil slick sort of look. But this is just a great little design that really showcases how natural they look. You know, they have that beautiful sort of organic feel to them. But these are the Czech etched glass beads, and they are really fun to work with. We hope you enjoy these and have lots of fun working them into your designs. Thanks for watching. This is Beadaholique.com. You can see everything there, and be sure to hit that subscribe button below if you're brand new to our YouTube channel.